So you've got some second-hand models, and they look like this. What do you do now?
Rebel Rogue.
Answer: strip them. And in this video, I'm going to show you how. For Christmas, a very generous friend gifted me a voucher for the Troll Trader, so I got myself a few bits. Part of that were the Primaris Lieutenants from Dark Imperium, a now discontinued set, and as I knew I was going to be able to strip them, I found the cheapest and grungiest ones on sale. As we can see, these appear to have been primed in Wraithbone and painted with contrast paints. If these had been painted with standard paint, I may have just primed over them, but contrast paint, when poorly applied, can clog up detail more easily than other paint, so I've decided to strip them. For this, I'll be using the ethanol-based methylated spirits, though you can use any product from isopropyl alcohol to LA is totally awesome. A word of warning though, fine cast models should never be stripped in methylated spirits, as the resin becomes flexible and brittle, resulting in a ruined model. I learnt this from experience. The process for stripping without an ultrasonic cleaner, rather than with it, I don't have an ultrasonic cleaner, and I'm guessing most of you don't. It's rather simple. Take the plastic or metal model that you want to strip, and put it into a container of your choice. And in the container, make sure you fill the container with whatever medium you want to strip your models in, for example, methylated spirits. Then you want to put a lid on the container and agitate them, so shake them around a bit. And then let it just sit for several hours. Once you've let the models sit in the stripper for several hours, or days, you can begin to clean them with an old toothbrush, and whilst wearing nitrile, not latex. Latex is soluble. Well, methylated spirits goes through latex. Gloves. Fish the models out of the stripper. Some paint may be already flaking off, depending on how long you've left them, and that is absolutely fine. Using your old toothbrush, scrub the layers of paint off the model. Be careful around delicate areas such as purity seals or Eldar runes, but otherwise be quite vigorous. Scrub until most of the paint has been removed in major areas before taking a cocktail stick and scraping it into the harder reach areas just to remove the last bits of paint. You could use a pin or something like that, that's absolutely fine. Don't worry about removing all of the primer, just the main coats of paint. Feel free to put the models back in the stripper at any point, and don't forget that dipping your toothbrush regularly in the stripper can help to ease paint off. Once you are happy with how your models are looking, you can prime them fresh and get ready to paint your good as new second-hand models. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it. Please tell us in the comments what your favourite stripping medium is. And if you don't want to miss any more videos from this channel, then click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.